Santa.
Maraming salamat, Radyoman Elmar Acol, para sa ating Lenten Special. At abangan nyo pa yung ibang special report natin mula kay Radyoman Elmar Acol within the different programs ng DZXL News. So anyways, mga kasama, eto naman, syempre, sa lahat ng mga nag-aabang dyan, siguro unahin ko na muna yung guest natin, ano? Oo, unahin na muna natin. Unahin na muna natin yung guest natin. So, may I invite Ma'am Marian to come and join me right here. Napakaganda si... Dito ka na lang, Ma'am Marian, kasi against the light dito ka sa side na ito. Yes, para makita ang beauty mo. Diba? So, nag-uusap din lang naman tayo ng trabaho kasi kanina ang pinuntahan ni Sir Elmar is Israel. Sa Jerusalem. Ngayon naman, ito naman si Ma'am nag-o-offer ng mga trabaho sa Middle East. Si Ma'am Marian. And by the way, si Ma'am Marian Joyce Kathleen Areglo, ang recruitment manager ng Gulf Horizon International Services Incorporated. So ma'am, pakipindot lang yung green na button. Ayan. Just one press. Okay. Ma'am Marian, welcome to the program. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Kamusta kayo, ma'am?
I'm okay, sir. Thank you.
Ayun. So tell us something about Gulf Horizon International Services. Gaano na kayo katagal sa industriya na nagbibigay ng trabaho?
Well, Gulf Horizon, we've been dealing for how many years? It's been 25 years now, and we are deploying qualified candidates in Saudi Arabia.
Mm-hmm.
So we also have skilled jobs, healthcare jobs, hospitality jobs, even the staff nurses, the healthcare, and as well as for domestic workers.
So matagal na pala, 25 years in
Yes,
the
sir.
industry. Now, anong difference ni Gulf Horizon sa ibang mga agencies na kagaya ninyo na nagpapadala ng mga tao sa abroad?
So the difference that we have for a different agency, normally our agency has no placement fee.
Apo.
Most of our clients, majority actually, there's no placement fee. Everything is free. So there's no charging fee entity for that one.
Okay. So ngayon ma'am, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga bakanting trabaho.
Okay, sir.
Ano po ba ang mga pwede nilang applyan at saan bansa ma-assign?
Well, actually, that's a very good question. We are really very urgent for the hospitality jobs since we have volume of candidates, especially for focusing in hospitality. Like we have waiters in hotels, as assignment in hotels and restaurant, waiters, waitress, service crew, pastry chef, demi party, chef demi party, commis. 1, 2, 3. We also have cake decorator, florist. We have staff nurses. We have skilled jobs, which is more on auto electrician, auto mechanics, auto denters, heavy equipment mechanics. And aside from that, we have domestic workers as well, bound to Saudi and bound to Saudi.
Okay. Ma'am, ito, kung ako ay matanggap dyan sa mga trabahong ito, ano mga benefits na makukuha ko? Do I have free lodging? Free food ba to? Free transpo? Ano mga meron kung ako ay matanggap? O depende dun sa papasukan ko?
Well, actually, regarding, depende yun sa papasukan. So, example, for waiter position, we have Marriott Hotel bound to Riyadh. So, mostly if it's assigned in a hotel, they have free food, free accommodation.
Opo.
So, free transportation.
Oh.
So, the only expenses, actually, there's no other expenses for hotel industry, sir.
Sarap nun, ha? Kumbaga, yung sweldo mo, 100 sa'yo, di ba? 100% iyong iyo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, yung ating sweldo varies for sure ito. Depende sa trabahong ito. Now, if I were to ask you, kung ako ay mag-a-apply at kumpleto ang papel ko, gaano kababilis yung pinakamabilis na pagproseso para mabilis ako makaalis, makapunta dyan sa mga trabahong inaalok niyo, ma'am?
Actually, yung pinaka-standard process natin ng agency, especially if yung company already been accredited in the DMW as
Apo.
well as in the Migrant Workers Office, maximum of 1 month.
Oh.
including the medical examination, visa processing, and the labor documents process.
So basically, ma'am, yung mga kontrata natin ito, minimum of how many months? Or taon ba ang binibigay niyo mga kontrata? 1 year? 2 years? Paano ba?
Actually, mostly in Saudi Arabia, 2 years contract.
2 years contract.
Yes,
Okay, that's good to know. And kamusta, ma'am, ang ating mga nai-deploy na? Meron ba sa kanila na mga nag-iba ang karera? Yung mga na-promote? Gumanda lalo ang kanilang karera after ninyong ipadala dun sa abroad? May mga ganun ba tayo mga kwento?
Of course, sir. Normally naman, it always happened. So, kapag may nakaka-deploy kami na candidate, tumagal sila sa kumpanya,
Opo.
pag nag-extend ng contract, dun lalo tumataas yung sahod, especially kung nagustuhan nila yung employer nila, kung mabait, on time magpasahod, walang changes ng salary, binibigay yung overtime, then nasa worker na yun if they wanted to extend. But most of our client naman, they are very good naman. We've been dealing with our clients for how many years? So, iba 20 years na. So, kung gaano katagal si Gov, gaano din katagal yung client namin na which is na-value na talaga namin yun.
So, very generous sa mga nakukuha yung kumpanya. Diba?
Yes, sir.
That's very good to know. Ma'am, eto, kung kayo ang tatanungin, of course, nasa Middle East lang ang inyong ang inyong specialization. Are we expecting more or Middle East lang talaga for now?
Actually, we're expecting more country. I've been focusing with a different country, hoping it will be soon to process their the documents. We're targeting or our prospect client mostly in Canada, also in Dubai. So we are expecting for that hopefully within a year.
Sana, no?
Yes.
Para mas marami pang trabaho.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, ma'am, paki-invite yung ating mga tagapakinig. Saan ba kayo matatagpuan? Kung ako'y interesado na mag-apply doon sa mga nabanggit ninyong trabaho, saan ako pupunta?
Well, actually, in-invite ko sana yung lahat ng manonood ng DZXL 558 KHZ na umattend or dumalo sa ahensya ng Gulf Horizon International Recess, which is located sa 509 Merchant Center Building, 3rd floor, room 312, corner Mabini Street, Patri Fara, Ermita, Manila.
Ano mga landmarks para madali nila makita ito, ma'am? Ano malapit sa inyo?
Yes, actually, yung landmark is yung Robinson's Fara.
Oh, Robinson's na sa may yung dating Robinson's Ermita.
Yes.
Yun.
Robinson's Place,
Oo.
Ermita.
Midtown na siya ngayon, di ba, ma'am? Tama ba? Yun na yung tawag sa kanya ngayon kung hindi ako nagkakamali.
Hindi.
Parang Galleria Manila. Parang gano'n na. Ewan ko, basta yun na siya. Basta yun. Somewhere doon. Okay. Basta yung Faura exit doon sa banda.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, anong oras kayo bukas, ma'am?
From 9 a.m. until 7 p.m. But we entertain walk-in candidates from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m.
Okay. Kung ako ang tatanungin para mas madali akong ma-entertain, ano mga dapat kong dalhin pagpunta ko sa inyo?
Well, sa mga candidates, they have to bring their updated comprehensive resume,
Okay.
certificate of employment, training certificates, especially for TESDA.
Mga skilled.
Yes, and aside from that, passport copy, NBI copy. But if they don't have passport or NBI, that's okay. We still accommodate the candidate.
Pero mas maganda kung meron dala nito.
Yes, sir.
Para
At
mas
least ready
mabilis.
na. Yes.
Ayun. Kasi baka mamaya, pag kumpleto na, magulat na lang, next week alis ka na.
Ang bilis na.
Diba? No? Malay nyo naman, diba? Pag very, very urgent. Ma'am, meron ba tayong mga special recruitment activities in the coming days na pwedeng puntahan ng ating mga tagapakinig?
Actually, katatapos lang kasi ng aming job fair sa Albay. So, our prospect job fair activity will be scheduled on April 17 at Santa Cruz, Zambales.
Oh, Zambales. Okay.
Yes. For now, Zambales, but I'm still looking for other provinces since we have so many provincial branch offices.
Oh, okay. Now, email pala. Baka merong mga iba dyan nakikinig sa atin from the province, nanonood online, na interesado, saan pwedeng magpadala ng resume?
Actually, you can check our Facebook updates for any for daily updates of our recruitment hiring or open job hiring. It is indicated there the email address, the contact person, and the contact number of the one who will handle their applications, different job industry.
Okay.
But for now, I can say my email. You can send your resume to my email, golf2021, that applicant at gmail.com or marian.golfmnl@gmail.com.
Okay. Again, hanapin nyo lang po is Gulf Horizon International Services sa Facebook para makita nyo yung mga available na mga trabaho and kung paano ang mga gagawin para maproseso ang inyong pag-a-abroad. Okay? Ma'am, any tip para sa mga aplikante natin bago kayo magpaalam?
Okay. Well, actually, ang tip ko lang sa mga applicant every time na mag-a-apply kayo, especially sa mga walk-in. So, every time na ini-interview ho kayo, wag kayong kabahan and then just be true to yourself. Just make sure na yung mga nakalagay sa resume nyo in detailed. Hindi naman kailangan na maging perfect yung English mo. Or kahit Tagalog lang, okay lang. Basta dala ninyo yung kompletong documents para ma-validate natin if it's true or not yung ating documents before we line up your application sa aming prospect client.
Okay. So, ma'am, thank you very much, Ma'am Marian. Nice to have you. Baka may mga ihabol ka pa?
Yes, sir. If it's okay.
Yeah, go.
So, I just wanted to discuss our provincial branch offices. We have Urdaneta, Pangasinan. The address is Unit 101, TNS Building, National Highway, San Vicente, Urdaneta, Pangasinan. And we also have Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Address is room 24, first floor, Plaza Mart, City Mall, Araneta City, Bacolod, Negros Occidental. We have Iloilo. Address is room 5, second floor, Street Catherine Arcade, Aldiguer Street, Iloilo City. We also have Davao.
For Mindanao naman. Okay.
Yes. So, for Davao, branch address is 88 1B SLW Building, Jacinto Street, corner Fatima Street, Davao City. And the last branch that we have, Cagayan de Oro City, which is located in RHC 1 Building, Unit 4, second floor, 8 and 2nd Street, Nazareth, Cagayan de Oro City. And one more thing, sir, is if it's okay.
Oo naman, ma'am. Nandito ka na. Lubusin mo na, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Itodo mo na, ma'am.
Okay.
Go mo lang, ma'am. Sige.
Just to clarify once again, our open hiring position in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, Amman, Jeddah, or even provincial offices or address in Saudi. We have, for hospitality, we have waiters, waitress, service crew, barista, and juice maker, bartender, salad maker, cook, line cook, assistant cook, pastry chef, international
Hotel.
chef,
Oo.
chef de partie, sous chef, Italian chef, pizza chef, cake decorator, burger maker, flower arranger, kitchen helper, butchers, restaurant supervisor, assistant restaurant managers, for hotels, room attendants, housekeeping supervisor, janitorial cleaners, nail technicians, beauticians, photographers, bellman, public area attendant, laundry attendant, fitness trainer, massage, spa therapies, staff nurses, geriatric staff nurses. For professional jobs, we have HVAC engineers, mechanical HVAC design engineers, biomedical engineers, biomedical technicians, skilled workers. We have aircon technicians, HVAC technicians, auto electricians, auto mechanics, auto denters, auto painters, auto tinters, and hydraulic mechanics.
Daming jobs dyan,
Yes.
ma'am. Ha? All in all, ilan na mabibigyan natin ng trabaho, ma'am?
Naku, madami, sir. Di ko makount eh. Depende sa GO.
Alam niyo, yung mga unang nabanggit ninyo, pang hotel, ano? Pang
Yes, sir.
hospitality.
Majority of
Hospitality
our client.
industry, no? So that's good. Alam niyo, maganda pa dyan pag sa hotel industry ka, sa hospitality, may mga tips pa yan.
Yes, sir. Is it okay to announce our client?
Yeah, go.
Okay, for hospitality, especially for hotel industry, we have Fairmont Hotel, Shangri-La Hotel in Riyadh,
Malalaki.
Sheraton Hotel, Le Meridian Hotel, Alcozama Hotel, Durat Tourism Company Ltd. in Riyadh.
Tapos
And so many more.
nabanggit niyo pa kanina, Marriott, di ba?
Yes, including Marriott. We
Marriott.
have job order
So
from
malalaking mga ano pala to. Malalaking mga hotels. Hindi basta-basta putyo-putyong hotel to. 5-star hotels.
Yes, sir, 5-star.
Five-star.
But it's actually napakahirap pa rin mag-recruit ng candidate, even it's hotel industry, kasi it's more on Middle East, Saudi.
Oo. Pero syempre, maganda dyan, pag nakapasok ka, service charge, tips.
Yes.
Plus, pagsipagan mo pa, maraming pwede mangyari sa career mo.
Exactly correct. sir.
Diba? So, Ma'am Marian, thank you very much for the time, ha? And wag ka madadala. Baka meron pa.
Madami pa, sir.
Go,
Actually,
Rebels!
I really wanted to, is it okay?
Oo naman.
I just need
Nandito
to
ka
read
na,
that
ma'am,
out.
eh. Nandito ka na, eh.
Basahin ko na lang.
Sige, ma'am, go. Go.
Okay. Actually, golf message to DZXL News 558KHZ. We would like to express our gratitude for your excellent coverage of our agency and, the positive exposure you give in our firm to the local news arrangement program, which is Usapang Trabaho, with a nice introduction to our goals and services. The entire staff of Golf appreciated the professionalism with which your news team handled both the interview and our premises, and of course with our nice presentation of your studio. We are indeed grateful for your willingness to include us in your coverage, the ZXL News. Please extend our thanks to everyone involved, especially to Mr. Glenn Del Rosario and also DJ hosted by Ramsey Tyrona. Thank you so much, sir.
You're very much welcome. And we appreciate that as well. Actually, ngayon lang kami nakakita ng guest na nag-thank you on air din na may ganyan talaga, no? Oo, di ba? Certificate na lang kulang, di ba?
Ay, ganun ba, sir?
Tsaka cash. No, we accept dinar. Hindi, joke lang, mama. Pero we appreciate that. Sobra we
sure.
appreciate that. And sana magpatuloy itong partnership natin na to para mas marami tayong matulungan. Ang importante po kasi dito sa amin sa Usapang Trabaho is we give jobs. And with the help of people like you, mas marami ang nabibigyan ng pag-asa through the help of your company. So mabuhay po kayo, ma'am.
Thank you so
Huwag kayo
much.
madadala, ma'am, ha?
Ay, hindi ho, sir. Baka kayo pong madala sa
Huwag kayo madadala, madam, ha? Basta nandito lang kami, just give us a ring. Ayun, si Kuya Glenn, isang tawag mo lang.
Yes.
And ako, kaming dalawa. We'll
Yes,
help you
sir.
out, ma'am,
I'm
ha?
looking forward for that one, sir.
Sige, ma'am.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
inviting me here.
So, ngayong week na to, hanggang Wednesday lang kayo bukas, no?
Yes, sir.
Oo.
Wednesday half day.
Oh, okay. So, enjoy your vacation as well, ma'am. ha?
Thank you, sir. You as well, sir.
Ayan po, si Ma'am Marian Joyce Kathleen Areglo, ang recruitment manager ng Gulf Horizon International Services Incorporated. Samantala, dire-diretso na natin to. Susunod natin, gawin na natin ang live tips ni Ma'am si Julia.